Okay, so for this answer, we have to look at the parallel, right? And we have to understand there's multiple forces that are occurring. And so if that's a, since we recognize that, let's start writing out what we're looking at, right? So we have here F1, right? But we have to like draw it out just so we can understand it better. F1 is going this way because we're looking at it from a parallel sense. And we know down here is going to be mg, right? Because mass times gravity. And we know that when we look at it from this angle, it's going to be mg 2m like this. Let me redraw this, right? And we know that this is plus the weight, right? Because we're in plus because we can make it plus because it's going down this way, but we also have to make sure that we make this side negative then, right? And our final one we have to work on, well, I never wrote the original one, F1 sine beta. We also have to make sure that this one is written correctly as well. So after we have all the different sines and cosines that we have to ensure that it's correct. Now, when we start applying it, right, we realize that A, right, is gonna be, let's stop before we do that. Let's instead do like this. Let's just write it out. So we have originally this, right? Like on all of them, it has a U and like this, right? Then we notice also that we had to make it negative, right? Because we decided to make the bottom positive here. So this is negative F1 over M. So no, I know the black screen. And then it's going to be beta equals to A, right? So we would have to move all these M's over under each of these, like divide them by each of these. But there's only one correct answer. So let me rewrite the answer that we got, right? After we applied all the original forces that we wrote in here, right? This is how it would look. Minus F1 over M. This color. Let me write it in a different color. The black screen. So we go here. Let me go minus F1 over M beta equals A. Right, so this is this is the equation, and the one that's exactly like it is going to be C. C. We just have to move the M over. That's the only issue here. But C is the answer because we applied all the forces. We made this positive. It, it, it has everything, all the components that we need to be able to solve the acceleration of the boy in the direction of the parallel to the plane. Okay, so this guy right here. And we applied all the different forces. We said this one here. So F1 cosine, right? Because there's the difference and all that. You have to ensure we did all that correctly. And this one's mg sine here. Just making sure we did this correct. Yep. Okay, perfect. So C is the answer. Thank you.